Some drawings are beautiful, but some drawings carry emotions. Today, I'm not just making a sketch, I'm turning a mother and daughter memory into some things they can keep forever. This is a commissioned portrait, and I want to watch how blank paper slowly become a lifetime memory. Every portrait starts the same way, a blank paper, but this one feels spaces a mother love in the purest emotion in the world, and capturing that bond with just a pencil, both responsibility and an honor. I start with the outline, focusing properties, expenses, and connection between them. The real magic in the detail, the smoothness of the mother eyes, the innocence in the daughter's smile, the way their face contact. Shading is not just about light and dark, it's about depth, feeling, and realism. Every stroke matter. One small mistake can change the entire emotions of the portrait. This artwork took hours of patience, no shortcut, no filter, just discipline, focus, and love for art. When someone trusts me with memories, I give it my 100% effort. And here the final result, not just a sketch, not just a graphite on pencil, but a mother's love captured forever. This is way to do what I do. If you also wanted to turn your special moment into a timeless portraits, you can contact me for commission work. Thank you for watching and supporting my art journey.